Abby, I am missing you so much. And until we get to see each other again, I'm sending you love, love, love.
The greatest love, no greater love than to lay your life down for your...
1 John 3:1. What a great love we have from the Father to be called children of God.
No greater love than to lay your life down for your friend. No greater.
Ephesians 2:10. You are a masterpiece. Even if you think you're falling apart like this piece of paper, remember, God made you. Miss you guys.
Let's talk about you and me. What kind of friend?
Hi everybody. I just want to say that we miss you. Stay safe.
Let's talk about you and me. We can live unselfishly. Think about what we give up to show our friends the greatest love. No greater love than to lay your life down for your friend. No greater love than this. No greater love than to lay your life down for your friend. No greater love than this. No greater love than to lay your life down.
Hey friends, so I chose I am with you always, Matthew 28:20. Listen, we are praying for you and your families. We love you all, we miss you all. And something else to realize is that we as a church, are with you all, always. God bless, guys. Hey, clean your rooms, do your homework, brush your teeth, and listen to your parents.
Let's talk about you and me. What kind of friends do we want to be? Think about how Jesus was, the way he gave it.
Hi preschool and kindergarten. I hope you guys are all doing well. I hope you're having lots of fun and enjoying all this extra time that you get to spend with your family. I hope you had a really good Easter, and I miss you guys so much, and I can't wait until I get to see your smiling faces again. So until then, make lots of memories with your family and have lots of fun. Hope to see you soon.